Another cool development, check this out. It's the upcoming Oppo headquarters in Shenzhen. And this thing, what a shape on that. Wow, it looks so alien. I love it. And having a little bit of experience marching around Shenzhen myself, I can say this is a very unique building. Well, it's a very unique building anywhere you put it, but a lot of the buildings in Shenzhen are like fairly typical high rises.
Yeah, they're just tall.
They're just tall.
Yeah.
There's that one building which was across from the burger place.
Yeah. I don't remember
which was a little fancier.
Yeah.
It was a little from an architectural perspective, but this thing takes it to another level completely. It's the ZHA architects. They won the bid to build this new headquarters for Oppo in China. And if you click through the images, it's like, wow, super futuristic in there. Look at the giant courtyard and community spaces and whatever else. It's going to be 3 separate towers. Oppo has over 40,000 employees in 40 different countries. And the maximum height of the interconnected towers is going to be 200 meters with 42 floors. It will be 185,000 total square meters. So pretty cool development there for Oppo.